Planning your next peaceful holiday? Come experience luxury and serenity at Fragrant Nature Resort, Kollam. Wake up to breathtaking lake views, surrounded by nature's calm beauty. Choose from stunning room options: Premium Lake View Room, Premium Lake View Villa, Premium Lake View Pool Villa, Twin Bedroom Lake View Pool Villa. Perfect for families. Travel anytime between 1st October 2025 to 31st March 2026 and grab exclusive deals only with Gobhe Holidays. Yes, you heard it right. Book directly with the hotel and pay securely to the hotel account. Don't miss this limited time offer. Click the blog link in the description to see special prices and room details. Make your next Kerala holiday truly unforgettable at Fragrant Nature Kollam. Book now with Gobhe Holidays, your trusted travel partner since 2018. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing travel deals.